Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy DopeMannn J, aka Jelrico, and we back at it again with another video. You heard. First off, I just want to say Happy New Year's. Like, comment, subscribe. You get what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, and today we just gonna be doing the unboxing video, right? I bought a like $400 drone. And it came in today. Well, it came in a couple days ago, but we gonna see. We gonna see what's up. It has a 4K camera and 2-axis stabilized gimbal. I don't know what that is. I have no clue what that is. I thought that the box would be prettier, but you gonna see. Oh. So it's right here. It says it's foldable. It has GPS return home. It has waypoint flight. It has active track. It has hand gesture, and it has about 25 minutes of flight time. That's okay. Picture and look, guys. So it's pretty nice. Take it out. So it comes in a case, I'm guessing. And the case is wrapped around this type of plastic. So just open up the plastic. Ooh, okay. The case has DEERC on it. DEERC. I like the case. The case can come from flat, or you can for the handle. That's nice. So, okay. So I'm gonna open it now. Shit. Let's see. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Ready? Am I ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Let's go. Ooh, okay, so up here it has a few things. Let's see what they have up here. So it says cautions of battery. Caution: do not charge in the carrying case. Do not charge a battery near fire. So this is just like a manual that comes with it. Cautions of battery. Area case. Ensure you store or charge your batteries in an open and dry area away from everything. So this could really catch on fire. Okay. Cool. That's good to know. Instructions for using. Get your pressure with swing. The hell. Transmission battery. I'm just looking through it, guys. I'm not about to read nothing down there. On there. Let's see. Let's open this up, yo. Whoa. Hold on. There's still some more stuff in here. What's this? Okay, so this is the little USB charger, I'm guessing. Okay. What's this? Oh, I have some extra blades. Nice. I'm gonna put this back in here, guys. I like keeping my area clean, nice and clean. You feel me? While working in a dirty area, when you can have it clean and nice, and know where everything's at, and not have to struggle with other stuff in your way. That's just how I think about it. Close that. Boom. Okay. Manual. Going back in the box. Okay. Now this has like a little foam thing. And then we get to the drone. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Hold on, guys. It looks like it's kind of like not necessarily stuck, but okay. Oh, my bad, guys. So I opened this, but there's like some little things that are holding it open. So I'm trying to, well, holding it closed. It's a little tab, so I just took that out. I'm not trying to break nothing. Ooh. Look at this, guys. Oh snap. Oh snap. I was supposed to open this first. Come on, baby. Hold on. See, y'all, listen, I'm being very, very extremely careful with this. Nice. Nice. I should be doing this outside, no? Oh, okay, guys. And now here's the camera. This is what the drone looks like. Oh! What the fuck? Oh, wow. I'm guessing this is the battery. So, guys, I found the battery. Boom. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Boom. Put it right there. Oh, that's dope, guys. So look how it sits. It's able to sit down right there. And that's how it can land. Okay. Nice. So it lands on its back right here. It goes zoom, boom. Okay, cool. And I'm guessing, yeah. So what's this? Plastic bags can be, oh. This is an extra battery. So if, when one battery dies, you could just change it. Nice. 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 I like that. I like that. That's dope. Some things, yeah, that's cool. Cause now while one battery is charging, I could still use it. I'm trying to put it back in there. That's nice. That's dope. It's real dope. Yeah. I'm gonna close that up. I'm gonna close that up again though. Boom, and put it back. Okay. And now for the part that we all have been waiting for. Boom. The controller. What's this? So it has these little things. I don't know if this is for the phone. And then it has a little, look at this, GPS mode. Ooh, that's so raw. Ooh. Smooth, stop, sport mode, normal mode, camera mode, GPS mode. Oh shit. Look, no mode, GPS mode. So I'm gonna turn it back off. What's this? This has two. Oh no, I'm gonna keep that on. Alright, so it didn't turn off when I tapped this, so I'm gonna hold the power button. 3, 2, 1. You don't want to turn off, yo. What the hell? Snap. Yo, it opened even more, yo. Yo, I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off. I'm just playing with it right now. It's like I'm not. I don't want no smoke. I want to turn it off, but it's not turning off. And please remove the gimbal coming before it turn on the switch power. Whoa, I don't like that. Whoa. It could turn and twist. The camera could turn and twist, y'all. I don't know if I like that or not, but that was scary. It came out like that. It's like I don't want to be recording while it's like that. Oh snap! This little camera right here is the main reason why I got it. Okay. I don't like that though. Cool, boom. I just put the camera with the tip back on. Boom. Now I'm about to close it. Boom. Close it. Boom. Close it. Boom. Close it. Boom. But I still need to put this one here. It's raining. I'm about to say, hey, yo. Yo, I literally don't know how to turn this off. I don't know how to turn it off. I'm done. I don't know. See, this is where the manual comes in. Let's get out the manual real quick. Well, first off, you want to put this back right there. GPS is still on. GPS mode. Which is no good, so we going to the manual. The manual don't got nothing either. Five, four. I'm holding it, y'all. I'm holding it. I don't know what I can do. It's not working. Confusion. But yeah, guys, that was it. You feel me? That was a video. I'm about to let y'all go because I can't figure this out, y'all. I'm getting to you. I'm about to. But yeah, guys, yo, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, you feel me? DopeMannn J out, you get what I'm saying? I'm about to do a little thumbnail clip. Yeah. Alright, there you go. But that's about it though, cause I can't, oh no. So I'm being weird. But yeah, que lo que, DopeMannn J out, you heard? Peace.